guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be a little short. We've got a live stream coming up tonight at 8 o'clock. There'll be a link on the channel by now for Two Brothers Outdoors with Matthew and I joining in. We hope to have our own link up. Something happens, you can join in on Two Brothers Outdoors on their YouTube channel. But today's topic is going to be tree huggers and loggers and why we're not at odds, why we're together. And I love trees, and I don't cut trees. I got trees all around. These are my trees, what you're seeing. I don't cut them trees. I love them trees. Now if that tree starts to die and decay, if you look right out there, there's a maple and a hickory that's dead. They need to come down. We're gonna hug that tree and make a log out of it here before long. These logs I got behind me, these come off a clearing job where they're getting ready to build a beautiful house, and we're gonna turn them into something to go back into that house. But this tree was dying. There's no reason in the world to leave that tree still standing. So sometimes there is a reason to take trees down. And Matthew and I are the ultimate recyclers. We put this back into the market, either to sell to somebody else or to this homeowner to go back into their beautiful home. So we hug trees, love trees. Anything you want to add to this topic, Matthew?
Tune in, it's going to be a wild ride.
Oh yeah, tune in tonight at 8 o'clock. I know for sure we'll have the Two Brothers Outdoor guys, Davison's All Natural Gym, Craig Kilter from Utah, good buddy of mine, TC Sawmills out of Mississippi, I think, don't hold me to that. Local guy up here in Tennessee does some amazing sawing. I'd rank him on the higher end of custom everything he does. And there'll be several more. There'll be a whole mess of us. So hope you can glean some info out of it. We didn't want to drop an hour-long video here knowing that we got this live stream coming up at 8 o'clock. So as always, guys, we appreciate you watching. You know, I hope we've earned your subscription. If you would, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you back at the mill or the live stream shortly.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.